Hello everybody. I got you here today. We're going to try to cut this foam that I have here from work. I need to make the foundation for the temple to sit on, and we need about half of this. So I bought this foam cutter on Amazon for $20. We'll bring it up there. You got a glare on there. I can't get the glare out. I bought this for $20 on Amazon. It's just a cheap foam cutter. We're going to take this cutter, we're going to plug it in, and we're going to cut this thing down to size so that my temple could get on there. So enjoy the music. We're going to start cutting on here. I did a little bit of cutting with it, and for $20 I'm impressed with it already, but you'll see in the video how quick that thing cuts. So let me start doing some cutting here, and we'll get back. Once I get that cut, we'll get back to make our temple. Hello everybody. I got something on the printer. I thought I'd throw this in there real quick. We're working on that temple and getting the walls put up. So looking ahead, trying to make sure I have everything that I need made up, I went ahead and designed the steps. So the 3D printer right now is printing those steps. So what I'd like to do is take a moment and just let you see this thing in action, printing out the steps for the temple. And then when they're all done, you'll have an idea how they were made. if I could turn this thing. The light's so bright. I hope that gives you an idea. It's just printing one layer at a time. It's pretty cool to watch it in action. How it prints. In case you guys were wondering, it's an Ender 5. It's the printer, a Creality Ender 5. I did go ahead and manage to put some sides on it just to make it look better. But that's a shot of the printer building the steps. You see the honeycomb inside. I think I'm pretty terrible at this. I'm pretty bad at this taping, so hopefully I'll get some experience. I hope you can make out the steps that I'm trying to make here. That lighting is terrible. But that's the steps there, and I hope that gives you an idea how that process works. But we'll move on now. Thank you, and I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, well I finally did get the foam board cut out, and I'll show you here in a minute. I finally did get the foam board cut out, and it worked out pretty good, but I wanted to take a minute and show you this. Hopefully you'll be able, I'm in front of the computer now, so hopefully you'll see that better, the name brand on that thing. Ahorusty, however you pronounce that. If you're looking for a cheap foam multi-purpose foam cutter, this thing, I was cutting some pretty thick foam with it, as you've seen, and it did a pretty good job. I'm impressed with it. I was thinking about getting a more expensive model, but I'm glad I tried that one. It did a great job. It worked out fine. They give you some extra wire, comes with it. Hopefully they won't get mad. They shouldn't get mad. I did not get permission to show you that. But here's our foam board. Now you won't see this when it's finished. What I'm going to do is take the temple, and hopefully this will make sense to you in the video. I'm going to take the temple and glue it on top of this board, and then I have these walls that are in the shed. I only have one template made up right now, but they're going to get glued on the side to take up that gap. So when you, if you could picture this all the way around is the way you're going to see it. The next time you see this temple, the walls are going to be all the way around. And that part will be finished. And I showed you the steps. They're still on the printer now. And I'll show you the inside again. I showed you the steps on there. But as soon as I get this board started, I think it's all going to come together, and I think it'll look better to you in the video too. So I just need to take this minute here to beg you to click that subscribe button. I don't know where it's at on the screen. I'm going to try to put it right here in this corner. I'm going to try to put it in there, see if I know what I'm doing. But click one of the videos up here, I think it is, and watch the other videos. If you guys enjoy watching this city come together, the boring part is over. Now you're going to see where I'm going to start adding the pieces on the board and making the board, so it should get pretty interesting. I was hoping to have that piece that I ordered to start with that City of David, but I do have the plaster cloth that I'm going to try, and I'm going to try to videotape that. I'm going to try to get this lighting straightened out too, to make it as good as the thing in here. When I do the Bible studies, I use this microphone here, so I'm going to try to incorporate this microphone. Maybe it sounds a lot better than what this one does here on the screen. So I'm gonna do a little homework on the video stream, so please hang with me. I know the videos are crappy, but just hang with me. I'm gonna make those better, I promise. Just click that like button and subscribe. YouTube doesn't push out videos that have low subscribers, so I really need you guys' help to get my subscription up. So thank you. Until the next video, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good night.